my friend. How are you doing? You're welcome to another interesting class. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about modern means of transportation. Again, we are going to talk about modern means of transportations, names of some modern transportation, and where they move. Now, what is transportation? Transportation is the movement of people and goods from one place to another. Now, you're going to say it with me. Transportation is the movement of people and goods from one place to another. Good. People take transport to travel from one place to another. Transportation makes people's movement to be fast and easy. So, transportation is the movement of people and goods from one place to another. Good. Now we'll talk about names of some modern transportation. Now we have cars. Car moves on the road. There are other vehicles that moves on the road, such as motorcycles, lorries, buses, and many others. Now, can you see this bus? This is school bus, taking children to school. Do you know the reason why this school bus is taking children to school? Because the children want their movement to be fast and easy. So cars move on the road. Now we have another types of transportation. This is another means of transportation. Ship. What is this? Ship. Ship moves on the water. Do you see this ship? Do you see how big this ship is? Ships look like house on the water. It moves on the water. Do you see it moving on the water? Take a look at it very closely. This is called a ship. Ship moves on the water. Now we have another means of transportation. Boat. Now look at it very closely. This is boat. Boat move on the water. It's another means of transportation on the water. Boat moves on the water from one place to another. It takes people from one place to another. Good. Now you're going to look at another means of transportation. This is trail. Have you seen it before? It is called trail. Trail. Trail moves on the railway. Trail moves on the railway. Other vehicles cannot move on the railway where trail moves. Trail is very long and big, so no other vehicle can move on its way. Do you see this trail? Do you see it? Very good. This is called trail. It moves on the railway. Remember, we are talking about modern means of transportation. Another means of transportation is airways transportation. Airways transportation. Now look at this. Do you know the name? This is an aeroplane. Aeroplanes move in the air. It takes people and goods from one place to another. If you are traveling from this country to another country, you enter this aeroplane. If you are going to Port Harcourt, if you are going to Abuja, if you are going to US, if you are going to London, you enter this aeroplane. It will take you from this country to another country. Now we have pipeline transportation. What did I say? This is what? Pipeline transportations. Natural gas and crude oil are transported by pipelines. Natural gas and crude oil are transported by pipelines. Human being cannot enter this pipeline. It is only gas and crude oil that can be transported from this country to another country. I hope you enjoyed this class because I enjoyed it too. This class is very, very interesting. I love it. So till we meet again in our other lessons. Bye-bye.